Hi, today I'm for the CAT S75 and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on this device. So I just set up my fingerprint to the scanner on this back side of our phone, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint, and we'll see how fast this option is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see that the fingerprint unlock method works clear, fast and correct, and with a simple touch to the fingerprint scanner I just successfully unlocked the device without any problems. So you could try this unlock method, but don't forget that the fingerprint is less secure than the passcode or pin code unlock methods. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.